US Continental, landing in San Francisco. We just hit the fog layer, and we're about to land in San Francisco. We took off in Dallas, and then we'll work international. This is a 737-800 operated by US Continental, landing in United Airlines. We're at 2,900 feet. We're getting below the fog. So it's sunny on top, but it's foggy. It's actually not foggy in the city, it's just low clouds. So Asiana, they're landing this way. Let's say we're probably going to land on 28 right. So they're going to be on that side of the plane. Over there.
Oh, so you're missing.
Look, well, you can see, if you look over there, you'll see the plane. It should be on that side. Asiana Crash just like a week ago. I'm hoping you guys get to see the workout wreckage. Actually, watch out there, it's going to be on that side. Yeah, it's going to be on that side. The plane crash is going to be on that side. No, it's over here. You're going to see it out my window. I'm going to get it on tape. It's on the other side. There's the runway. Let's see. What's on that side? On that side. Yeah, it's not that way. It was on that side. Damn it. Yeah, it was on that side.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to San Francisco.
Yeah, we did.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
We're going to be taxiing.
There's a new American
In the next few
plane.
minutes, we do ask that you remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened. Please do keep all of your carrying items stowed until the captain's turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, indicating the aircraft is no longer moving. After the sign is off, feel free to stand up and gather your belongings. Caution when opening the overhead
Well,
compartments.
something wrong with the plane or plane.
There will be a Uniform United representative at the top of the jetway. He or she will be happy to further
You saw the news report?
Did you
Did you see the news report with the captain names?
Claim or
Did you see it? Yeah, it was something wrong, we too low.
Here at San Francisco International Airport. On behalf of all of us here at United Starlines Network and partners, but most importantly, your Washington, D.C. and
Seats on those runways over there.
we'd like to take the chance to fly with us, and we do hope to see you on another United Airlines flight in the near future. At this time,
It's like, how did they not catch that, you know?
Yeah, well, because the media wants to be the first one.
Check out that new American Airlines jet. They ruined American Airlines.
Like, oh yeah, no.
I think that looks so bad. The new paint job looks horrible. I'm like, what were they thinking? Hey, look at the airport. You can see straight into the airport.
Well, actually, at that point, I'm sure they blamed it on a
Darn it, we missed the Asiana Crash. It was on the other side of the place.
Yeah, report this.
We'll see it from the terminal, though. It's still out there. They haven't moved it.
Let's see how smart you are.
That was crazy how they just miscalculated. It's scary. They couldn't fly without the computer. That is scary to think. They could not fly without that computer glide slow.
Well, how old are they and how...
But no, they're old. That's
Exactly, that's the point. Like, when you're fresh out of school, you understand the calculations now.
because they get
When
so
you're fresh out of school,
dependent.
independency, yes.
Because you know those 777s, it's all computer landing. So they
Look
got
at
so
the
dependent.
787 now.
We're at music
fire,
commerce, the lithium batteries. That was 3 years late, so they should have been able to figure out. That was 3